Would you like a simple way to do a little decluttering today? I have a suggestion for you if you're feeling stuck. Photographs, the ones that are on your phone or your computer, especially your phone, because you're usually taking that everywhere and you might be waiting in line someplace or waiting at a child's event for them to finish it up and you don't really have anything to do. Well, this is what you could do. Take a few minutes, and delete those photos that you no longer want. The ones that are just taking up space, but they're poor quality, you're uninterested in them, they're blurry, you don't know who's in them, you've forgotten all about the photos, it's been so long. If you take a few minutes and delete a bit at a time every day, you'll get through those. So that's my mini decluttering challenge for you today. Digital photos. You can do this. These challenges are meant to be simple, doable, and very quick, just a few minutes at a time. So hopefully you'll join me in this challenge, especially when you're feeling stuck and you're unsure where to start decluttering. Check out my website listed in the links below or in the description below, and you can find out more ways to get my support and help if you're really feeling stuck. I would love to talk to you. Thank you so much for watching.